Hello students, my UPSC class welcomes you, and today we are going to discuss these two very important doors for your exam. And this is like a past we are going to discuss in this video what is this election law amendment we'll just introduce in our parliament, and as well as one state Karnataka anti-conversion bill. So everything in this video we are going to discuss, and what are like important articles just related to your exam, and what are the important points. Yes, both blogs just we have published on our website www.myupscclass.com. You can just check there. Link also just I'm providing in a video description. You can just read from starting to last. But before watching that, what are the important point in these like a blog you need to just remember for your exam? This is like a minimum you need to just do. So first of all, very important topic, what is the election law amendment bill 2021? So what happened in our parliament, both houses just publish or they just pass this bill related to, and what are the important key? Sir, this is like a important key, sir. We want to just add or link our Aadhaar card with our voter ID. So this is like a main important point related to this bill you need to just remember. And sir, second point, what are the Karnataka anti-conversion bill for UPSC? So what happened recently in a very important, Karnataka Legislative Assembly has passed the Karnataka Right to Freedom Religion Bill, and commonly referred as the anti-conversion bill. So how we are going to discuss, and what like oppositions are just saying, and what criticism just you are getting, everything in this video we are going to discuss. So first we are going to discuss about what is this election law amendment bill. And sir, this bill will just amend basically our People Act 1950 as well as 1951. So both law or both the act is going to be changes by this amendment. Now sir, very important features of the bill. Sir, in this bill it provides the amendment of section 23 for the representation of People Acts 1950, enabling the linking of electoral roll data with Aadhaar ecosystem. So basically our voter ID we need to just add with our Aadhaar card. So this is like a basic important thing. And second very important point, sir, what happened before only 1st January, 1st Jan of every year is considered as a like 18 of, if you just attend, for example, sir, for 2021, if you are like attend 18 year on 1st Jan 2021 1st Jan 2021, if you attend 18 year, then you are eligible for voting. For example, sir, 1 Feb 2021, you just attend 18 year, but you are not eligible for 2021 elections, voting, casting or anything. Why, sir? Because of only one date is there. But now, sir, from now dates are considered as like 1 January. If you just attempt this on 1 January 18, then okay, sir. If on 1 April you just attend 18, then also eligible. On 1st July also eligible, and October, sir, also eligible. 4 months given for basic eligibility for the minimum age for voting. So, and also, sir, they just talk about this gender neutrality. What happen whenever just you see the voter ID card, and you will just see the name of, for example, girl is there, Miss this or Miss Mrs. this, and wife of. So you will just see wife of XYZ. Wife of, in the place of wife of, we are going to just write this spouse, because of spouse is basically neutral. So wife means, sir, only just like this will provide like male dominancy. At that time, sir, spouse is like both the cases of, for example, sir, there is no husband or no wife. Only things are like very common, that is known as your spouse. Spouse is like a very important and neutral word. So these are like basic three important points you need to just remember. Now, sir, biggest problem just happening, why this objection of this bill? Because of it violate some like opposition parties and critics or activities just taking care about this. So it violate the personal privacy, mandating the linking of Aadhaar details with voter identity card. You know, guys, last to last videos we have discussed the personal data protection bill, and already just published in our parliament, where just we concern about right to privacy is like our fundamental right. Everything just we have discussed. So, sir, what happen if you share this data with other authority or election commission? It is like violation of our right to this protection of our data or fundamental right. So this is like one point. Second most very important point, sir, Supreme Court given the judgment that limits use of Aadhaar card only for financial and welfare benefits only. Sir, in Supreme Court, they just given verdict, and Aadhaar card only can be, or we can able to use only for financial and welfare schemes only. So this is like limited to that. If you just use this is for election, definitely it is like a violating data protection or privacy is already is concerned or not. So these are like some very important, these 4 points, as well as what inside this bill. These 3 points are going to be very important for your exam. Yes, link is just available in video description. Just go there and read this total block. Second point, very important. What is this Karnataka anti-conversion bill? So what is inside this bill, sir? This states that no person shall convert or attempt to convert either directly, otherwise other person one religion to another religion by use of misrepresentation or anything. Means sir, we cannot able to convert law or basically our religion from one to other. So they just starting this law related to, or they just publish this law in basically, or this is like a bill Karnataka Legislative Assembly. So what happened? It however provides exemption for the case of person who reconvert it immediately earlier religion. So what happened? For example, sir, this law will avoid. For example, one person is there and they want to convert their religion from one religion to other religion. At that time, sir, this is not valid. It will like illegal now. And also, sir, sometimes it is like a possible. For example, sir, already you converted in another like other religion and want to convert back to your original religion, then it is possible. So everything is okay, but some cases are there. So first of all, just tell me, sir, under article 25, it is like we have our this basic important things are like there, sir. All persons are equally allowed to freedom of conscience and right freely profess, practice and any propagate any religion. So this is like a very important under article 25. Just this is like a written under article 6 also, 26 also just related to our religion, as well as 27 to 30 also we are just like free to use or follow any religion. But things are very common, sir. One common point is there: this religion should be with self conscience, not in the pressure, in the force, or for marriage purpose. You don't require to like convert your law. So these are like some different types of things just happen, and these are like a very important just point we have discussed here. Now, sir, what happened in Supreme Court? Some verdicts are there. These are like a very important. The basic idea just completed or not? What is this article 25? In Supreme Court, some verdicts on this conversion. What happened in 1977? A constitution bench just set up, and they just given very single statement related to this freedom to propagate one religion, and as specified article 50 25(1) did not grant a fundamental right to convert another person. So in this also, and in 1995 also, they just given 25(1) point just tell about, or article 25 just tell about only you can choose your own religion. It is not like forcibly you are doing for others. For example, one person is there, one dharam guru is there, and they want to convert your religion. So this is like illegal. Only for your own conscience or with your own conscience you can just take this action. So this is like a very important point just we have discussed. And what happened, this is like a very important point. This year in 2021 April, one case were there and one PIL just filled by one person 18 years. So they just given this year a PIL, a person above age 18 year is free to choose a religion of his her choice. The Supreme Court refused to entertain a PIL seeking direction of ban on black magic, superstition, and deceitful religious conversion. So they just stopped this, and what happened? Supreme Court is also like this rejected this PIL. Why? Because of 18 year and according to our fundamental rights. So they just given the Wayne said that no reason why a person above 18 can't be allowed to choose religion. It further told that there is a reason why the word propagate is there in the constitution. So the meaning of propagate means that they can just follow any rule and regulation, any like religion 18 plus. So why not like this is like a possible? So this PIL just like rejected. So sir, what happened? Religion conversion by carrot or stick, by hook or crook is not only opens article 14, 21 or 25, but also against the principle of secularism. What is the principle of secularism? We can follow any religion. So if you are like by hook or crook or by forcefully or by pressure you are converting another person like religion, then this is like invalid or this is like illegal. But for single person, if you want to follow any religion with your like proper conscience and without any forceful or with your own decision, this is like your own decision, you can follow. because of constitution provide this fundamental right to you. So this completes basic points, and Supreme Court also supporting. But in this bill also, this Karnataka bill also, they're just telling like you can just go for the conversion, some procedures there, you need to just notify district magistrate and some process and rules and regulation without any forceful. So these are like some important points just we have discussed in this bill. So everything just we have attached with this video description. You can just go there, both links available there. You can just try to read from starting to last, everything, all important points just we have discussed. So thank you guys, this completes the video, and you can just follow this blog in a proper manner. Thank you.